So let me show you how to tell the difference between a repair and when a new roof full replacement is needed, so you don't get taken advantage of your options. Most homeowners don't need a new full roof replacement. Most of the time what they need is just clarity on what's going on with their roof. So let me show you how to tell the difference between a repair and when a new roof full replacement is needed, so you don't get taken advantage of your options. So I want to go over a couple points with you on how to know exactly. So the first one is whether a roof repair is gonna last you, if it really makes sense, or if it doesn't. So if we do recommend a roof repair when it's only 1 to 2 areas at max that there is a problem, whether the roof is leaking or there's a shingle that is blown off or a piece of metal that's coming off, that's really easy to take care of, and it's just that one problem area that you're having an issue with. And the second one is how to know when a repair is just going to waste your money and it won't help you. I'm a strong believer that even if you're a homeowner watching this and you do something about it, you patch it or do something about it yourself, that's always better than doing nothing at all. But in the long run, this is something to keep in mind when repairs are not recommended. So this is when you have, it feels like you're burning fire. There's a fire burning and there's so many areas that you have to take care of. Multiple leaks. There's a couple rooms that are leaking now, or there's a couple shingles that blown off all in one section or just scattered throughout the roof. Those can become more expensive than having a full roof replacement. If you look at a full lifetime of a roof, that's what I meant to say. That's when a repair is really not recommended. That's when we got to talk about options of a full roof replacement, because there is a problem with the full roof system instead of that one specific area that you'd be dealing with if it would be okay with a repair. And going through these points, I do want to point out a couple things to have homeowners go through or listen for when you have somebody that goes out and does an inspection on your home and is telling you what is needed and how to get it taken care of. I do want to go over what some roofers don't explain. And then this is just coming from experience of helping hundreds of homeowners through this process of protecting their home and their families, is that a lot of other roofing contractors don't explain why things are happening. Sometimes you might just be pushed into doing a roof repair and calling it okay for a couple months and not really giving you some information on why this is happening and how to avoid it down in a couple years. Because of course, if there is a repair that you're doing, you want to make sure it's going to last you a very long time. And if it's not, then that's most likely due to the roof system not working. Maybe something wasn't installed correctly. And most of the time, a roof patch is just a band-aid. It's going to give that problem area some time to not show up again. But once it does show up again, it is much stronger and much faster to start a leak or have a shingle blown off even quicker. So just keep that in mind. And then some red flags I do want to go over with you guys as homeowners or somebody that is, when you have somebody come over to your home and you're not given any type of 3 options on the investment that you're going to be making on your home, which is your roof, which is one of the biggest things that protects you in your home. It's your roof. And given options on what you can do, how to make the ventilation better on your home, or even repair options to give you a good option if you're tight on money, something basic that can help you, or something even better that will last your roof a couple years on a repair. That's so important for you to have as a homeowner. So if you aren't already given those options, make sure to ask those questions on what will happen if this isn't taken care of within the next couple weeks, or how long will this last, or what will not be fixed when there is a repair being made. And I love making these videos because we have visited hundreds of homes, spoke with hundreds of homeowners, And we just see the same situation come up where homeowners are not being told why roof leaks are happening or why shingles are blowing off. Most of the time it's not due to the weather, it's just due to the way the roof system was installed. We're a family business, so we definitely care about being honest and giving homeowners as much support as we possibly can. That's why I'm making these videos. So even if you don't happen to work with us, at least you have something to work with and take back home if you are working with another contractor that is helping you through this process. And if you do have questions, if you have any concerns that you want to bring up, we want to be here as a resource. I want to be here as a resource to you watching my videos. So feel free to DM me, send me a message what you're going through, and maybe I can give you some input or some pictures that you'd like me to see. I'm always welcome to open up a conversation and go through that process with you. Again, it's not something that you'll be forced into making a decision super quick, because rarely do you have to ever make a decision very quickly. It can take some time to make the best decision, but it's better to take some time and make a better decision than to panic and rush and end up with something that might waste a lot of money in your pocket. So I appreciate you watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.